Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to do spreadsheet part of the May-June 2022. So let's start. Task 5, spreadsheet. You are going to create a spreadsheet to display data about safety equipment required for a hot air balloon. 15. Open and examine the file j31tables.csv in a spreadsheet package. This file will be used but must not be edited. So we'll open that file j31tables.csv. Next, open and examine the file j31balloon.csv in a spreadsheet package. Save this as a spreadsheet with the file name balloon underscore followed by your candidate number, center number, candidate number. This is given, so we'll just copy that. We'll open that file balloon.csv. Save this file with the balloon underscore center number, underscore candidate number. So we'll save that. This is our file. Next, place in the header left align your name, center number and the candidate number. Right align the automated file name with no file path. So we'll place the header, go to insert, header. On the left side we'll write the name, center number and the candidate number. Right align, we have to insert the file name without file path, so we'll do that. That's it. Go to normal view. So we have done this. 15. Next, enter a formula in cell B5 to look up the equipment item using the item number in the cell B4 for the value, and the external file is J31 tables for the array. So we have to insert the formula in B5 to look up the equipment item by using the item number in the cell B4. So this is B5. We'll put the formula we look up value by using item number. Table array, we'll use this, select this part. What column index, where is the equipment item is there, that we have to show. So 1, 2, equipment item is in the column second. So write 2 and we want exact match. So this is the equipment item. It is given, so we can check. Item number 7, oxygen storage is coming. Item number 7, yes, oxygen storage equipment, correct. Now okay, we have done this. 17, enter a formula in cell B7 to display the date and name of the employee who had checked the item of safety equipment using the balloon name, item number and the external file. So we have to place the formula in B7 to display date and name of the employee who has checked by using balloon name and the item number, the external file. So we'll place the formula in B7. B7 is here. We lookup value is the item name. We'll search in the item name. Table array. Item name is here. So we'll select this array. Okay. Then column index, by using the item number we have to check. And we look up, we want exact match. That's it. Now we'll check for the item name. Balloon name is ETA and the item number 7. It is given by Samuel, January 3rd. So just we check here. Item name is the 7th, the 3rd January. It is given 3rd January, but here in our formula it is showing this. Why it is showing? Because item number we have taken, the column number we have taken 7. For this range, the index number, it will start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is why it is showing. So in our formula we have to change. Just we have to write B4 plus 1 here. So we will get the correct value. Yes, now we are getting the correct value. So next we have done the 17. Print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure it is in a landscape orientation. Row and column heading are displayed. The content of all cells are fully visible. So for that we'll do, first we'll put in the border. Okay, now formulas, show the formula. It is showing. Now go to the print, page setup. It should be in the landscape and the select row and column headings. So row and column heading also should be displayed. Yes, it is given. Make sure you have entered your name, center number, candidate number on the spreadsheet showing the formula. Yes, it is showing name, file name and everything is displayed. Just take the printer. Now go to the next. So we have done 18. Now enter into cell B3 the text beta. Enter into cell B4 the number 2. Save your spreadsheet and print the entire spreadsheet showing the value. So first we'll do we'll stop show formula. Now here you have to write beta and in cell B4 we have to write 2. According to that we'll get the result. Now save your spreadsheet and print the entire spreadsheet showing the value. Printout fits into the single page. Content of all cells are fully visible. Row and column heading are not displayed. So we will go to the print, page setup, sheet, row and column heading. You just select that, unselect. Now it is given. Now take the print and save the file. Make sure that you have entered name, center number and candidate number on the spreadsheet showing the values. It's given. So by that we finished spreadsheet part. That's it. Hope you understood. If you have any query or doubt, please ask. Thank you. Bye bye.